can see here the Chief Minister's convoy has reached DK Shivkumar's residence here in Sadashiv Nagar, and CM Siddaramaiah will reach DK Shivkumar's residence for his second breakfast meeting in less than a week. Remember that this particular breakfast meetings are happening after High Command had instructed both the leaders to amicably solve the differences between them after two posts of them on social media went viral, which clearly showed that all was not well between CM and DCM of the state. And subsequently, High Command had to intervene. KC Venugopal had instructed both of them to sort out the issue and do a damage control before they have been summoned to Delhi to discuss over power sharing. After Saturday's vegetarian breakfast at CM's residence, today we have a non-vegetarian breakfast at DK Shivkumar's residence. Talking to India Today,
Stay with us. So Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has arrived at DK Shivkumar's residence. These are the live visuals from DK Shivkumar's residence. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has now arrived at his residence for the second round of talks. This will be a breakfast meeting as well. So on Saturday, the breakfast meeting was at Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's residence, but today the breakfast meeting is at DK Shivkumar's residence. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has already arrived, and in just a few minutes from now, the meeting will begin. Sagay continues to stay with us. Sagay, we're learning that DK Suresh and some MLAs are also at DK Shivkumar's residence. Give us more details.
Yes, DK Shivkumar's brother DK Suresh had reached DK Shivkumar residence much before Chief Minister could arrive at his residence. Along with him, there was Dr. H.D. Ranganath, DK's camp, the loyalist of DK Shivkumar, was also present. However, what we get to learn through our sources is that this will be a one-on-one meeting despite all these people are present. Probably they will have a discussion with them, but the deep discussion on politics and on political crisis will be one-on-one between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah on the dining table. And remember, this is a second meeting in less than a week where both the leaders are meeting. Remember, initially DK Shivkumar said that you need to come to my house first. That's when Siddaramaiah said, you come first, later on I will come to your residence. And subsequently, DK Shivkumar had extended invitation for breakfast, and it was being accepted on Tuesday. As we speak now, they are inside DK Shivkumar residence, where both of them will be having breakfast, and thereafter they will be also addressing the media outside his residence. Remember, the first breakfast meeting where they had said that it was a formal discussion about the party's election in 2028 as well as Taluk and Gram Panchayat elections, and nothing on power sharing. They had also said that all is well between them, and now there is a second meeting. How do you see this, Apurva? How do you see the second meeting?
Well, Sagai, in fact, DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah have just gone inside, and you can see how they have both gone ahead and extended a warm welcome as well. Like you rightly mentioned, we saw a vegetarian breakfast that took place on Saturday. Today it's going to be several delicacies from Karnataka, including nattu chicken, like DK Shivkumar had mentioned to you. But more importantly, this meeting is going to transpire on the grounds of whatever is going to next take place. Is it going to be just talks on what they want to discuss for the upcoming meet in Delhi, which DK Shivkumar is talking about, or is it also going to hold the important talks of the 2.5 years promise that both of them had been mentioned? So this is something that we will have to importantly look into, because this 2.5 years promise is the basis of which had all started this khichdi.
And if you notice that probably there will be two outcomes of this particular meeting. One, they have to say that they have amicably sorted out, and two, both of them will try to connect with High Command, stating that we have done a damage control now, whatever you have asked for, and now they might call them up and say that when are you going to sort out the differences and when are you going to sort out the pact between them. And if the High Command listens to them and agrees to them to invite, probably they will summon them to Delhi, and probably anytime before the assembly session, that is on that is on 8th. It is going to be start from Belgavi. Much before that, they might fly to Delhi and sort out the issue. So we need to wait and watch what will the outcome of this particular meeting. Will they will mention the same thing, old wine in a new bottle, saying that whatever the High Command says that we will follow and everything is fine between us. Nothing new that they have to discuss. It was only about election or some other issues or how to tackle the opposition in the assembly session. So probably everybody knows that these are just reasons for them. However, on the back door, everything is about the pact and the power sharing between CM and DCM.
Right, so guys, so do you think that the power sharing formula will finally be discussed despite the two leaders time and again saying that only High Command will take the final call? What can really be expected as the outcome of this meeting? Can the two leaders amicably solve this power tussle, the leadership tussle that is also affecting the governance in the state?
So if everybody is well aware that nothing can be sorted out on a dining table, probably they will discuss about this and they will try to communicate with the High Command, stating that whatever you have instructed, we have done that. This is a damage control exercise by the government, stating that they are together. Nothing. There are no differences between them. Remember, their two posts of world power has gone viral, where they are taking jibe at each other. And after those tweets had gone viral, High Command had instructed Siddaramaiah and DK Shivakumar. KC Venugopal called them up and said that this is not the culture of Congress. You need to try to address your differences and please have a cup of coffee.
All right, we'll try to re-establish that connection with Sagay Raj, who is reporting from DK Shivakumar's residence, where the meeting between Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar is taking place. Remember, this is round 2 of breakfast meet between the two leaders. On Saturday, the breakfast meeting was at Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's residence, and today it is being held at Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar's residence.